Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasneem Shafi, lecturer in mathematics, Government Girls Degree College, Nawab Shah. Class Inter, chapter number 4, differential calculus. Today my topic is derivative notation and differentiation rules. First of all, I will define the definition of derivative. The rate of change of one quantity with respect to the other is called derivative. We can also define derivative as derivative is an indication of how much the dependent variable changes as a result of the independent variable. Now we come to the definition of differentiation. The operation of going from a function to its derivative is called differentiation. We can understand the definition of differentiation with this simple process. Here, when we take a function f of x, when we apply derivative on it, we get f dash x. Here, this is dy upon dx is differential operator, f of x is a function and f dash x is our derivative, which is our result. Now we come to the topic derivative notation. Here we have three functions which we represent f dash x, y, and third function is x square plus 1. In Newton's form, function f of x we represent it as f prime x, and the function y we represent as y prime, and the function x square plus 1 as x square plus 1 whole prime. It is Newton's form. When we see these three functions in Leibniz form, we represent f of x as dy upon dx f of x, where d upon dx is differential operator, and the function y we represent as d upon dx of y, and the function x square plus 1 we represent as d upon dx into x square plus 1, where d upon dx is differential operator. If we have as a function y equal to f of x, we can represent the derivative as dy upon dx y prime x y1 f prime x d upon dx of f of x all have same meanings, all represent the first derivatives. Now we come to the topic differentiation rules. First is constant rule. Here we have a function y equal to ku, where k is constant and u is a function. We differentiate it with respect to x on both sides. Dy upon dx equal to d upon dx applied on ku, where k is constant and u is a function. This will be dy upon dx k times du upon dx, where d upon dx is differential operator and k is constant. Now we understand it with the help of a simple example. Example here, y equal to 4 sine of x. When we take derivative with respect to x on both sides, dy upon dx, d upon dx 4 sine of x. When differential operator operates on 4 sine of x, then we will get 4 times d upon dx sine of x. We should know the derivative of sine of x. The derivative of sine of x is cos of x. So we will get the answer 4 times cos of x. Here the formula of derivative of sine of x is cos x. Now second example, here we have a function y equal to minus 7 upon 4 log of x. Now we differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We apply differential operator on both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Dy upon dx, d upon dx minus 7 upon 4 log of x. Here minus 7 upon 4 is constant. It will jump in the outside direction on the right hand side, and differential operator operates on log of x. Minus 7 upon 4 times log of x. The derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, which I mentioned here. The answer is the derivative of y is minus 7 upon 4x. The derivative of any constant function, for example the derivative of 5, for example the derivative of minus 11, the answer will be 0. It means the derivative of any constant function, the answer will be 0. Now second, addition and subtraction rule. y equal to u plus minus v. Here we have two functions which are associated by means of addition and subtraction. When we take derivative with respect to x on both sides, dy upon dx, d upon dx, u plus minus v. Derivative will apply on u as well as it will apply on function v. We understand it with the help of example. Here we have a function y equal to sine of x plus tangent of x minus e of x. Here is addition, here is minus operation. When we take differentiation on both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side, the derivative will apply first of all sine of x, then it will apply on tangent of x, then it will apply on minus e of x. It's mean exponential function. Dy upon dx we represent with y prime, mean first derivative. The derivative of sine x will be cos of x, the derivative of tangent x will be secant square x, and the derivative of exponential function is e of x. Here we have mentioned the formula of derivative of sine of x, tangent of x, and exponential function of e of x. Now we come to the third rule, which is power rule. Y equal to xn. When we take derivative on both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side, it will be dy upon dx equal to d upon dx xn. Dy upon dx will be same, equal to, then we will write coefficient multiply power n x 1 less power n. Finally, we will get dy upon dx equal to n times x n minus 1. Now we will understand it with the help of a simple example. Y equal to x raised to power 5. When we apply derivative on both sides, we will get dy upon dx, d upon dx, x power 5. This will take the form 1 coefficient multiply by power x 1 less power 5. Finally, we will take the derivative of y, which will be dy upon dx equal to 5x power 4. We can also represent first derivative as y prime equal to 5x power plus 4. Now we will take the second example, which is the function we have y equal to t power minus 3. Now we will take the derivative of this function with respect to variable t. We apply derivative on both sides, then derivative will apply using the power rule is 1 coefficient multiply by minus 3 t 1 less minus 3. Finally, this variable will take the form minus 3 t minus 3 minus 1 equals to minus 4. The final answer will be minus 3 upon t power plus 4. Here is minus 4. When will goes in the dividend form, minus 4 will shift into plus 4. Fourth is product rule. Here we have two functions which are associated by means of multiplication. When derivative apply on this, then derivative will takes the following form. Derivative apply on right hand side and left hand side, d upon dx u dot v. First derivative apply on u dash, v same, plus according to formula. Now u will be same and derivative apply on v. V prime mean derivative, here u prime mean derivative of u. If we have three functions which are associated by means of multiplication, when derivative apply on such type of function, then the answer will be, then the formula will take the form derivative of u, v and w function will be same, plus u function will be same, v prime, w function will be same, plus uv will be same, w prime. Means u prime means derivative of u, v prime means the derivative of v, w prime means the derivative of w function. We understand it with the help of an example. D upon dx, x square sine of x, x square and sine of x are associated by means of multiplication. Derivative will apply first on x square, sine x will be same, plus x square will be same and derivative of sine of x. The derivative of x square will be 2x. By using the power rule, sin x will be same plus x square will be same, and the derivative of sin of x will be cos of x. After simplification, we will get 2x sin of x plus x square cos of x. Here we have three functions. In second example, x cube ex log of x. When derivative will apply on it, derivative will apply on first function, second and third function will be same, plus first function and third function will be same, and derivative will apply on second function, plus first and second function will be same, and derivative will apply on third function. Derivative of first function will be 3x square multiplied by ex multiplied by log of x, plus x3, the derivative of e of x, exponential function will be same, e of x and log x will be same, plus x3 exponential function, and the formula of log of x will be 1 upon x. Dear student, the formula should be memorized, otherwise differentiation will be difficult for the students. Therefore, a table for formulas is given in your book of class center. Thank you.